Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. For today, we're going to be making this super adorable little card all around our perfectly plaid, or I'm sorry, it's the wrapped in plaid suite in the holiday catalog. So a lot of these products are part of that suite, like I just said. Some of them are retiring, so I'll talk about that in a second, but today is day 10 of my 12 days of Christmas. So if you haven't been keeping up, make sure you go back and watch the last few videos. I've been doing a video every single day for the first 12 days of December, and I've absolutely loved it. It's been a lot of work, but I absolutely have loved it. So I'm super excited. We're on day 10, so we only have a couple days left to go. I did just want to remind you guys about a couple of things really fast. So I do still have some of the giveaways from the prior days that are still active. So make sure that you check out the last few videos and the coordinating blog post for those to make sure you get entered into those giveaways. There are some really awesome things going on. The other thing that I wanted to mention, I mentioned it in yesterday's video. Tomorrow, Wednesday, December 11th, we're going to be doing a, or Stampin' Up, I should say, just to specify, is doing a free shipping day. So for 24 hours on December 11th, you will get free shipping on any order placed that is over $50. So it's an amazing opportunity. If you've had some stuff that you wanted to purchase, make sure you jump on that because it's a really good deal. I mentioned it a little bit in yesterday's video. I don't think in the entire time that I've been a Stampin' Up demonstrator, this time and previously, that I've ever seen a free shipping, a 24-hour free shipping deal. So it's an absolutely amazing deal and opportunity. If you're interested, make sure you jump on that and take advantage while you can. On today's project, though, we're going to be creating this cute little adorable card. Like I said, this is kind of spinning around our wrapped in plaid suite. So to talk about what we're going to need for today's video, we are going to use the Perfectly Plaid stamp set along with the Pine Tree Punch. So both of these products are not retiring, so you'll be able to still purchase these after our holiday catalog retires at the end of this month. The one thing that is going to be retiring is the bundle. So if you're interested in getting both of these, make sure you get them prior to the end of December, because right now you can purchase the bundle and get 10% off of each item. Once December is over, the bundle itself is going to be retiring, so you can only purchase them separately. The bundle is $31. So if you purchase that on Wednesday, if you purchase it tomorrow, you're almost at your $50 to get free shipping. So that just makes it totally worth it. So just wanted to throw that out there and make sure you guys were aware that if you are interested in this, now is the time to go ahead and swoop it up. So again, we're going to be using both of these. And for ink, we're going to be using Cherry Cobbler. For paper, let's talk about this first. So we're going to be using the Wrapped in Plaid Designer Series paper. These are the two sheets from that set that we're going to be using. This is retiring. So again, it's one of those items where if you're interested in getting it, you have to jump on it now before the end of the month, because once the end of the month rolls around, these are going to be retired and the paper is going to be gone. So again, if you get that bundle and the Perfectly Plaid paper, you're basically at your $50 to get free shipping tomorrow. So just throwing that out, there are some options if you guys are interested in getting this. So we're going to be using this sheet here, which is like a green plaid, and it has the gold lines through it. This is just a random sheet. You just need a piece big enough to cut out this little tree. And then this other sheet that we're using is kind of at a diagonal, and it is red, white, and gold. And this piece is cut at 5 1/4 by 4 inches. For just our normal cardstock, so we have our standard size card base here, which is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. And then we have these two little tiny pieces here. This is a piece of regular Whisper White, and it's cut at 3 inches by 3 inches. And then I have this piece here, and this is shaded spruce, and it is cut at 3 1/2 by 3 1/2. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to start, I'm going to take our piece of green plaid here and our little tree punch, and I am just going to stick this in there and punch out one little tree. That's it. Super simple. I'm going to take this tray and I'm going to set it off to the side. And now let's do our stamping. I'm going to bring in my piece, my little square of Whisper White here, along with my Cherry Cobbler ink pad. And I'm going to be using the stamp from this stamp set that says North Pole Delivery. I just thought it was really cute. And it's something that's a little bit different than just like your typical Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays or something like that. I just thought it was different and cute. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to center it in the middle, but I'm going to put it at the very bottom of my piece of Whisper White. I'm just going to stamp that down. Perfect. And that's the only stamping that we're doing, so you can put your ink pad away and all of that good stuff. Now we're going to take our little tree. I'm going to flip him over. I'm going to grab some dimensionals and put these little guys right on the back. And I'm going to stick the tree down right in the center, just like that. And that little 3x3 piece is the perfect size to put the tree and your sentiment, and it's just nice in that nice little package. I think it looks adorable. So we're gonna flip this over, bring in our piece of shaded spruce. I'm telling you guys, this card is so stinking easy. It is not even funny. Again, like I mentioned yesterday and the 5,000 other times before that, I am just obsessed with quick, easy cards. It's one of those things. I love crafting. I love card making. I love just being crafty and creating things to give to other people. But the one thing that always hangs me up is the time commitment. I'm busy. I'm not going to lie. I have a ton of stuff going on in my personal life, like 24/7. And I like being able to craft and make things really, really easily and really quickly. And I feel like I'm probably not alone in that. A lot of people, this is their therapy and kind of their outlet, but it makes it a little bit more stressful if it's got to be this big production and this huge thing all the time. So anyway, I'm getting off my soapbox. I'm very sorry. I'm going to bring in my card base and then this other piece of designer series paper that we have. I'm going to flip this bad boy over, and I just like putting the designer series paper down on my card base first because I don't want to push down or squish my little tree. Then I'm just going to center this right on my card base, just like so. I'm going to flip this guy over and put some snail on the back of him. And like I was mentioning a little bit earlier, I still have some giveaways running for my 12 Days of Christmas. One of those giveaways that's still active is my designer or my paper share, which includes this paper. So if you're interested in getting that, make sure you head over to, let me double check. It is, it is day 6, which is my Feels Like Frost cards. That's the day that had the paper share as the giveaway. So if you go and find that video, I'll try to remember to link it. I'll try really hard, I promise. I'm not making any guarantees though. If you go over to that video and the coordinating blog post down below, or if you just go to my website, you can enter the giveaway from there and potentially get that paper share for free. I'm actually picking 2 winners for that one, so that one has really good chances of winning if you go and enter that. So anyway, that is the card for today. Super simple, super cute and easy and beautiful. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's project. You can purchase any of these products 24/7 just by going to littlemooncreation.stampinup.net. Like I was saying a couple seconds ago, you can also go to littlemooncreation.com and get all of my blog posts and any links to Stampin' Up! Product and all of that stuff. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you tomorrow for day 11 of my 12 Days of Christmas. Bye!